Hello, Auto Assets here. Just giving you a walk around this BMW R1250 GS. As you can see, it comes with the BMW key coded luggage. We'll do a full walk around and we'll get the bike started up for you. So we'll start down here at the forks. All in pretty good. Plenty of life left in the tyres, the discs and the pads there as well. You can see it's got a belly pan there as well. Adventure lights on the bike, handguards on both sides. You've got the engine bars here as well. Bodywork wise, it's in very good condition, to be honest. You've got the dynamic suspension on there, and then, as I mentioned, the BMW luggage. There's no rips and tears in the seat. Michelin Road 6s all round. Again, everything's looking in good order. Shaft driven bike, so you don't have the issue of any oil in the alloys. Little charging port here. Again, everything looking pretty good. Up here we've got your controls, so you've got your cruise control here, your lights, obviously the menu to control things, suspension, adventure lights, you've got your BMW Idrive system, you've got a TFT screen, you've got a sat-nav mount, that's the word I was looking for, sat-nav mount pre-wired, so if you want to plug something in you're good to go. Heated grips and your riding modes there as well. You've also got some USB ports, so again quite handy. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Okay, let's get the bike started. So you push this down, it will sense the key, it will then allow it to load. Now I'll just let the bike warm up for now. Whilst I do that, I'll just confirm everything's working. So we'll start with the indicators here. Got your standard running light there. Now, in the camera they're flickering, but they're actually fine in real life, just the way the camera's picking them up. You get your standard beam and your full beam there as well. Again, the flickering is just the camera picking that up. Adventure lights. Oh. Now, as I mentioned, you've got your controls here, so try and go through, see what you can spot. There's a number of different things you can control with it. Automatic lights, just used here, and then, as I mentioned, you've got the cruise control. Adjustable suspension, road and dynamic, auto and max, then auto. It's really easy to use, so just push the button here, you'll see the icon, 2, 1, back off. Riding modes, we've got dynamic, rain, road. We'll give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. There we have it, the BMW R1250 GS. Any questions you got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.